Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to have just one name on your Facebook account. Welcome to another how to search tutorial video. If you're concerned about your privacy or you just like how it looks, here's how to have just a single name on your Facebook account. First of all, I'd want you to open the Facebook app. Once you're there, click on your profile on the upper right corner of the screen and then scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. From there, I want you to click on Personal Information and then select Name. Afterwards, all you have to do is to delete your last name and just keep your first name or any name you want to add. And then click on Review Change and Confirm. But be aware and keep in mind that if you do this, you can only change it again after 60 days. So for me, I'll want to keep mine the same way. I hope you enjoyed the video and please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Again, this is How to Search and see you on the next one. Peace!